Scene script. Have you ever wondered why rainforests are often called the Earth's lungs? Or why their preservation is so critical to our planet's health? Picture the Amazon, the Congo, the Southeast Asian rainforests. These are powerhouses of life, teeming with rich biodiversity. They're home to a staggering array of creatures, many of which haven't even been discovered yet. But beyond their role as a haven for life, rainforests are integral to our planet's ability to breathe. Through photosynthesis, these lush expanses produce vast amounts of oxygen while simultaneously capturing carbon dioxide, a key greenhouse gas. This unique capability makes them essential in maintaining the delicate balance of Earth's atmosphere. But here's the twist: these vibrant ecosystems are under threat. Deforestation, driven by human demand for wood and arable land, is rapidly eating into these vital ecosystems. Over half of Earth's rainforests have already been lost, and if this rate of destruction continues, we could see the demise of these green lungs within the next 100 years. But what if these vital ecosystems are disappearing at an alarming rate? Let's explore. Our journey begins in the past, when rainforests covered larger parts of the Earth. Imagine a time when the world was a lush, verdant paradise, teeming with a myriad of life forms, and the air was filled with the sweet, earthy scent of the rainforest. This was a time when rainforests stretched far and wide, dominating much of the Earth's landscape. As we journey through the annals of time, we see a drastic shift. Over half of these lush, verdant rainforests have been lost to the insatiable human demand for wood and arable land. Each tree felled, each acre cleared is a page torn from the story of our planet's rich biodiversity. From the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, where clear-cutting for planting crops is common, to the temperate rainforests of North America, experiencing deforestation, forest fires, and drought due to warming temperatures, the narrative is the same. The once nutrient-rich soils, now rendered unsuitable for agriculture, stand testament to the short-sightedness of our actions. If we continue down this path, if deforestation rates continue at this alarming pace, we may very well witness a world without rainforests within the next 100 years. A world devoid of the vibrant colors and sounds of the rainforest, a world robbed of its lungs. But let's take a step back and ask ourselves, why is this happening? The answer lies in the economics of it all. Wealthy nations demand tropical timber, and governments, in turn, grant logging concessions at low prices. The plundering of the rainforest is driven by economic reasons, a seemingly straightforward equation of supply and demand. So, what drives this reckless deforestation? The answer, it seems, is as complex as the intricate web of life within the rainforests we are losing. The next time you look at a piece of exotic wooden furniture or a patch of cleared land, remember the cost of these commodities. The cost paid in the currency of lost biodiversity and altered climate. The cost that, if left unchecked, will be borne by the generations to come. The answer lies in our insatiable demand and short-sighted policies. The vast, lush rainforests are not just a feast for the eyes, but sadly, they are also a feast for our unending demand for resources. One of the main economic drivers behind rainforest plundering is the demand for tropical timber. The exotic allure of tropical wood, combined with its durability and versatility, has made it a prized commodity. From furniture to flooring, tropical timber is used extensively, and our desire for it is decimating these vital ecosystems. The other side of this coin is the role of governments. In many countries, authorities grant logging concessions at shockingly low prices. These low-cost licenses give companies carte blanche to clear vast swathes of rainforest. The lure of quick profit often overshadows the long-term environmental cost. It's a classic case of robbing Peter to pay Paul, where Peter is our environment and Paul, the fleeting economic benefit. But what's even more troubling is the aftermath of this clear-cutting. Take, for example, the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. After deforestation, the land is often used for agriculture. However, the nutrient-poor soil renders the land unsuitable for farming in the long run. This results in a vicious cycle where more forest is cleared to compensate for the degraded land, further exacerbating the problem. These practices are unsustainable, to say the least. We're not just losing trees, we're losing biodiversity, we're damaging our climate, and we're depleting our planet's natural defenses. The sad reality is that over half of Earth's rainforests have already been lost due to human demand for wood and arable land. If we continue at this rate, we might witness the disappearance of rainforests within the next 100 years. But the story doesn't end there. The impacts of deforestation are far-reaching. The loss of these rainforests is not just a loss of beautiful landscapes, it's a loss that reverberates globally. When we talk about the consequences of deforestation, we're talking about profound, far-reaching impacts that affect every corner of our planet. One of the most alarming effects is on climate change. Rainforests play a crucial role in oxygen production and carbon dioxide capture. As these green lungs of the Earth disappear, the balance of our atmosphere is thrown into disarray, accelerating global warming and causing unpredictable weather patterns. But it's not just the climate that suffers. The rich biodiversity housed within these rainforests is also at risk. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. Deforestation disrupts this delicate balance, leading to the extinction of countless species and the invasion of non-native species. The ripple effects of such biodiversity loss are felt in every facet of life, from agriculture and medicine to water supply and air quality. Perhaps one of the most visible and immediate impacts of deforestation is the slow drying out of rainforests. This gradual process can lead to a complete transformation of these lush, vibrant ecosystems into barren, desertified landscapes. The loss of tree cover also increases the risk of forest fires, further exacerbating the issue and leading to a vicious cycle of destruction. And then there are the diseases. As habitats shrink and animals are forced closer together, the risk of disease transmission increases. This not only threatens wildlife but also poses significant risks to human health as new and potentially deadly diseases emerge. As the consequences unfold, one thing becomes clear: we need to act. Our rainforests are calling for help, and it's time we answered. The reality is, these lush, vibrant, and life-sustaining ecosystems are being threatened every single day. And while the problem might seem vast and overwhelming, there are solutions within our reach. The key lies in making conscious choices and promoting sustainable practices. Let's talk about sustainable logging. This is a practice that involves the careful management of timber harvesting to minimize environmental impact. It's about striking a balance, ensuring that we fulfill our need for wood without stripping the forests bare. It's about giving the forests a chance to rejuvenate and thrive. It's about preserving the homes of countless species and our planet's biodiversity. But sustainable logging is just one piece of the puzzle. We also need to focus on promoting sustainable rainforest products. These are items made from resources that are harvested in a way that doesn't harm the ecosystem. This could be anything from food to furniture. By choosing these products, we're voting with our wallets, sending a clear message that we value our rainforests and the life they support. And of course, we can't underestimate the power of education and awareness. We need to spread the word about the importance of our rainforests and the threats they face. We need to inform, inspire, and incite action. We need to ensure that every person understands that the choices they make can have a profound impact on the health and survival of our rainforests. The call to action is clear. We need to embrace sustainable practices, support responsible companies, and educate ourselves and others. In doing so, we can slow down deforestation and give our rainforests the fighting chance they deserve. Remember, the fate of our rainforest lies in our hands. Let's make a difference, one tree at a time.